Forget rejuvenation. Today we're talking about pre-juvenation and why it's better. We have expert nurse injectors from Utah Facial Plastics, Alfie and Jeanna, and we're here to dish on more. Hi, girls.
Hi.
Layton, Draper,
and Layton. We
our
both
favorites. I love them both.
Thank you.
I was staring at her skin. And it's,
right?
Yes, it's amazing. So we're going to talk about why her skin is so good, because you're doing this to people. Okay, so we're talking about the things that we're doing before
Pre-juvenation.
to prevent.
Keeping it off the floor.
Yes.
Preventative.
Preventative.
Not getting it off the floor.
Well, the number one thing, y'all, is sunscreen. Number one is the first thing you have on there.
Yeah.
So what sunscreen should we be using?
A medical grade one. So it should have titanium dioxide and zinc in it.
What SPF? 107?
No, really, it's just like 30, a 30, but you do need to reapply.
It doesn't have to be that high.
No, but you do need to reapply.
The damage, the sun damage.
Yes.
How often are we reapplying?
Every 2 hours when you're out in the sun.
2 hours?
Yes, and I wear it daily.
You do. I'm golfing all the time, so I feel like I don't think I'm doing that on my face, and I don't want to look 103.
No, we're not going to let that happen.
No, we're not. I know you're not going to. Botox is the next one.
Yeah. Preventing those lines from ever starting. So if you start doing Botox, that's a great picture. If you start doing Botox early enough, you're never going to get the lines, the 11s, the crow's feet, the forehead wrinkles.
What age do you usually start injecting people?
Really, I say when it's best is when you start to barely see those lines at rest. We call them static lines. So they're just barely there when your face is at rest. That's the best time to start. They'll soften very nicely, and prevention is key.
And because you're expert injectors, you know how much to inject and not overdo for people.
Yeah.
Because I feel like that's really important.
You want to keep looking natural, right?
You want to keep looking natural. All right. Light skin surfacings. All right.
So rejuvenation, so hyperpigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, keeping the skin tight. So lasers, microneedling, even a hydrofacial to just brighten the skin, clean all your pores out. There's a lot of different treatments you can do for that.
And how often should we be doing those? Because I feel like Dr. Thompson said every couple of months, 2 to 3 months, you need to be getting in there.
Yeah, absolutely. Cleaning out your skin every few months, especially seasonal change.
And
chemical peels, hydrofacials,
every
seasonal
season.
change. Yeah.
Oh, that's a good idea. What's happened here? This is outstanding.
Yeah, so that's
chemical
a
pill.
Chemical pill, yeah. The
Wait,
V pill.
I need to get one of those today. But you have to be careful, that's the sunscreen too, right? In the summer, if you get those, you definitely want to use your sunscreen.
Absolutely.
Okay, retinol. I know you have products up here. What I haven't seen this one before.
So that's a retinol, and that is to help cell turnover, to like keep cleaning off the skin.
This one right here?
Yes.
All right, and I'm putting that on morning and night?
Night.
Just night.
Just nighttime?
Yes.
And it hopefully peels some of my face off, right? That's
Right,
what we're going
that's
for.
the goal.
It also helps to stimulate collagen. That's one of the best anti-aging things that you can use at home on your skin, is a retinoid.
And I think that I read probably somewhere from you guys that it's collagen stimulation slows way down at 30.
Yeah.
Yes,
We stopped
significantly.
producing it, yeah.
No.
So these things are all important, Botox, filler, and you got to work from the outside in and the inside out. You got to do it all.
Okay, I want the whole program. Yeah. I want to be on your program. All right, you did mention filler. Where are people mostly doing filler, or does it depend on someone's face?
Really, it depends on each person specifically, but as we're aging, like you mentioned, we're losing collagen production, but we're also losing volume in our face with age. So if you start younger, you can replace that volume loss with smaller amounts. And really, we're just looking to replace volume, not adding more. That way you keep on looking natural.
Look at her lips.
And youthful.
Just the like little fine lines around her lips.
Yeah.
Putting filler in her lips makes her look like Megan Fox.
And her smile lines.
The mouth is really important for youth.
It really is. It's beautiful. Okay, y'all have a special going on right now.
Yes.
Do you know about that?
Yep.
We do.
Because you can get $10.50 per unit of Botox this month. It's regularly $12.
Correct.
But you need to call because August is filling up quickly.
It is, yeah.
All right, the phone number 801-776-2220. UtahFacialPlastics.com. We'll put all the information on our website. I can't wait. I'm going to make an appointment in like 3 minutes.
Yes, and watch our podcast too.
Oh,
Check
your
it out.
podcasts are so fun.
Thank
and
you.
Jenny, your woman in charge, she's the best lady on the planet.
She
I love her.
is. She
All right,
is. She
thank
is.
you girls so
Thank
much.
you. It's so good to see you.
Thank you. So good to see you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Good.
All right, if you're dreaming about your exes, keep it right here. Good Things Utah is back after this.